This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Dive. Stand by to dive.
Diving station.
Trim bow diving planes, 3 degrees. Main induction
Diving
closed.
planes, 3 degrees down.
Pressure in the bow, get down easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms.
Rescue readings at all.
Speed the main ballast tanks, 1/2 knots.
Running the other tanks at 1/2. And venting
Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes.
All ahead full.
As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain. Lost city, dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. Steer 40 degrees. Fact, when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres. As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind.
Radar
The
1,
coral reef.
surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off 180 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Nemo! Where are you, son?
Too deep for you and me to see. Explorers. Explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry.
Water rides, tasty waves, sure squirt. Where? EAC, dude. It'll be like, whoa, like, whoa, and like, whoa. Let's go. Follow me to the EAC.
Nemo! Oh, lost again! Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the current. All ahead standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Look at you!
Hey, Dad, I brought Nemo.
Welcome to the EAC, Mini Marlin!
This is fun. Let's show Nemo.
funny, and I'm no funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken butt. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo!
where?
I don't know where. That's why we're trying to find him.
Find who?
My son, Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes?
Yes, see?
There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons. That's it. Oh, easy. Okay.
Secure all stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory! Wait! What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer. Something touched me.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
Uh-oh. What's that? It looks like...
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of boing.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing.
Stop playing games! No, Dory! We're invited to a party! Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo! Nemo, I found you! I was so worried!
About what?
Hey, have you guys noticed the erupting volcano?
We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh, can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some food. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo, check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Cindy Plankton is never gonna believe this.
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna... Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Goodbye!
get this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.